Bismillah. We set out thinking it was just a ride. From Chew Reservoir to Crowden. But the Moors had other plans. The wind didn't greet us, it tested us. The rain didn't fall softly, it challenged us. And
I'm going to keep on that though.
It showed no mercy. At times we couldn't even see ahead. Didn't know if we were riding the bike or the bike was carrying us. But in that struggle,
the brake sign. Ooh. Cyclone becomes impossible on here. Oh, we found a path. We found a path. See what happens. It must be this way. Put your bike in, think of water, it's fine. Oh, it's not fine, I thought it'd be good, but it's muddy. This is what happens if you follow Google Maps. Oh, very unprepared for this today. How's it there? I don't think you could hear me. Ooh. Oh my god, this is gonna get harder. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, this is like Bangladesh, man. Oh, oh. Oh, this is not good. There. Ooh. Be careful here. Now what do we do? Right, looks like we'll have to cut it now. Right, by the way, be careful here, your feet might go in. Let me take my bike up. Are you going to be okay? This is non-stop now. This gets harder. Oh. Exactly. Okay, how do you ride on this, man? There's no way you can ride on this. we are have to do something. But let me go. Then I'll take your bike off you. Then you can go up. Let me just. This is it. Look at that.
Rest on your bike and jump.
Yeah. Oh, it's true.
Okay.